Annyeong 여러분! Gracee here! Thank you to all of you staying in tune with my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I'll be sharing to you today my easy-peasy salad recipe. Promise, madali lang siya. Try this and mas may enjoy mo kumain ng healthy food. Alright, Yarbun, I have here all the recipes, which are the lettuce, and then this blueberry, grapes, and tomato, and this Caesar dressing. For the lettuce, either this one na pahaba, this one, romaine lettuce tawag sa kanya, and then meron yung isang klase, yung bilog, iceberg lettuce naman siya. I prefer the two kinds of lettuce para sa akin, kasi mas masarap siya. Ito yung usually yung ginagamit din on burgers. Okay, so I find it super easy kasi wala kang babalatan sa mga recipes na to. All you have to do is wash them all and slice the lettuce in small portions, same with the tomatoes. So what I'm doing is, I put them all in one container. Nagsasama-sama ko lang siya lahat sa isang container. So, hinahalo ko lang siya after mixing it all, the recipes, para hindi naman yung isang subo mo puro lettuce lang makakain mo or puro grapes lang. So, I wanted to spread it evenly. So, it will make it proportion. And then, lastly, I'll spread the Caesar dressing. Lastly, trickle the dressing on top. You can add more if you want. Kasi pangpalasa talaga tong dressing. And there you have it. You have your salad in just a minute.
Wow!
Okay, let's try. So guys, make it a habit to also have a balanced diet aside from working out daily. This also helps you to lose your body fat faster. I'm not really a fitness expert, but this is true and recommended by all. If you're targeting to lose weight, do a 75% diet and 25% exercise. It's very logical when you work out all day long, but if you're still eating a lot, you're just fooling out yourself. So this salad, sarap siya. Try nyo.
Yes!
At times, ginagawa ko siyang snack or breakfast, but usually post-workout meal ko, like today. This is really good if you want to lose weight. If If you want to add a protein food, you can replace the blueberry and grapes to egg and croutons. Slice mo lang din into pieces yung egg. Also, avocado is very good to add. You can mix, replace, and blend all of these recipes according to your taste. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you an encouragement to start a balanced diet. Please don't forget to share this to your friends because sharing is caring. Also, please make sure you have subscribed and hit the bell button for more insightful videos that might be helpful in your healthy way of living. Bye! See you in my next vlog. God bless everyone!